What's up, guys? This is Sean, aka Mr. Rolla, and what better way to start off this vlog than doing one of my favorite winter activities? You know what? I really enjoy watching skiers fall down a mountain. Ain't that sick? Who does that? Like, you just come here and just watch people fall. They're actually doing pretty good today. These guys are like pros. There's so many of them. Like little roaches. Wow, that dude is really getting into it up there. I should probably put on my 300 lens. I can really zoom in. Oh, that dude up there wiped out. He down. So I give over. You okay? You okay? Oh my god, this is so evil. So wrong. Savannah, what are we?
What?
What are we? Savage. Say it louder. I like when people fall, they just sit there for like 10 minutes. I mean, I'm sure it hurts, but... Okay, off to the daily activities. doing?
I'm walking on the ice. I'm trying to.
What's up with that hat?
I got it from Savannah. It's pretty and represents my school.
Huh?
It represents my school.
Stace, proud of you. You actually stepped foot on the ice.
I told her to.
Huh?
I told her to.
You did? Mm-hmm. We almost broke through the ice. Fine looking machines, aren't they? Where are these two? Watch her fancy footwork. For Savannah. She wore these. I don't know why she wore this. That's Savannah style right there. She don't even care. Zero trucks are given with her.
I'm wearing Levi's.
I'm gonna get Vicky the microphone. I'll hold it for you.
I get you want to win?
Give it up for Peter Man! He's gonna sneeze.
Oh. The stench of the ground is better than doing a trick.
I am sitting, Daddy. Good enough! Give it up for Hudson, everybody!
I'm sure at home he's an awesome dog.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's just going to be just a couple of moments. We're going to find out who our first, second, third place winner is.
Booties.
Today, roll over.
That just went over.
Hmm?
That guy just went over the way.
Yeah. Oh. It's hard to see.
It just ain't happening, Bob. One more time. One more. Give it up for Fillmore, everybody. There he is. Handsome dog. He's cleaning up the beach, too.
Crumbs.
That's awesome. One more. Hey, girls, do give it up for Milo, everybody. All right. Great job, judges. Greyhounds are wonderful dogs to adopt, folks. They're very, very gentle, especially the ones who were retired racers. Give it up for Baroness, everybody.
Of course I'm all about this thing. Holy crap, it's got hydraulic lines in the back. It's quiet. so cool.
Taking it someplace special? I might two boards go underground. Right now it's just sitting up on the track.
It's so cool.
Are you recording? No.
I am recording.
I think you are.
I am recording. So, guys, I'm going to end this vlog right now. It's been a really cool day. I went to the gym, did a workout. My car broke down a little bit. My caliper fell off. I don't know how the hell these things happen, but the caliper literally fell off the bracket. The bracket kind of broke. I had to rush back home. Savannah and I ended up fixing it and putting it all back together, and we continued to have a good time, and then it was a great way to stay in shape. So, in other words, with this vlog, before I end this vlog, I want to show you guys somebody. That's Alexa.
Hi.
So, Alexa was in the other video where she was in the back seat when we crashed like 2 days ago. Was it 2 days ago? No, it was like...
crashed? That was a week ago, exactly.
That was like a week ago.
Maddie!
Whoa!
Yeah.
A week ago, exactly.
So, this is my friend Alexa. Alexa, this is my YouTube fam.
Hello, YouTube fam.
This is my high rollers. So, do you guys want to see some triple threat shit right here? Look at that. We have here Chipotle over there, some Eddie's Chicken Shack over there, Five Guys over there, and Army Navy here. We'll do some zoom in action for you here. There we go. Look at that. Army Navy right there. Five Guys, Chipotle, and this place right here, this Eddie's Chicken Shack. And then we got some Primal Butcher dude. So everything too much face action. Everything in one is right here. So let me know in the comments below, what is your favorite place to eat? I think my favorite is between Chipotle and Five Guys, although that Core Life place.
I had sushi for dinner though, so.
She had sushi.
I had Five Guys. But Core Life?
It's pretty good.
I think it's the best.
The best?
The best.
Their steak was really good.
The Brussels sprouts were my favorite.
The Brussels sprouts were good because they were that big, and they were still cut in half. They were huge.
Good. Hey, have you ever tried? You like brown sugar, right?
I do like brown sugar.
Okay.
That's the only sugar I'll have.
Brown sugar on your Brussels sprouts.
Oh.
It is so delicious.
Cinnamon on eggs.
Cinnamon on eggs?
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah. It's
really
so good.
Never tried that. I put garlic on my eggs.
Garlic is good.
Yeah.
Okay, so remember I was telling you about that restaurant that I wanted to make called Concoctions?
Yes.
Okay, so cinnamon with eggs would be another thing that would be on there. Watermelon and salt, because that's in our concoction.
I don't put salt on anything.
Really?
Literally, I add no.
A lot of
whatever
people
comes
do.
salted is fine.
Mm.
But I never add additional salt. Never.
What was the other one there? Stacy really likes a lot. Cottage cheese. No. Cottage cheese and Doritos.
And oh my gosh, that's so gross!
No, it's really good.
Oh no!
I swear to God, it's good.
I don't eat cheese.
Ham and jelly.
Huh?
Ham and jelly.
What is happening?
No.
Okay.
Ham and jelly.
Yes.
No.
Okay, now for dessert, the perfect concoction is cereal, peanut butter and jelly, and chocolate milk with a little bit of cookie. Fat guy status. Come on, pound it.
Okay, cereal, that would give me a stomach ache, honestly. Cereal, chocolate milk,
Yes.
and what was the third part?
Cookie.
Peanut butter and jelly.
and
Yeah, so
cookies.
peanut butter
And
and
cookies?
peanut butter and jelly sandwich with cookies, cereal, and
Cookies
chocolate
mashed
milk.
into the peanut butter and jelly.
Yes.
Okay. That sounds like,
It,
But then
the textures.
too much milk is going on in that situation.
No. Just chocolate milk.
But aren't you having cereal too?
You take it all and you throw it in a bowl with a concoction. Concoctions.
Guys,
We mixed it all together.
Guys, we're still recording.
I know, that's the
I
best
know.
part.
Yeah, we're talking.
Yeah, that sounds fat guy status. That's got to be like 1,200, 1,300 calories. I'll bet you anything.
Probably more than that,
I think so.
depending on how big the bowl is.
Oh god, I used to make double peanut butter and jelly sandwiches.
Double?
Yeah, I used to
Like
stack them.
layered?
Yeah.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
awesome.
Don't
How
forget,
about, peanut butter and fluff? Do you enjoy that?
not as
That's
much.
good.
Yeah, I mean that is good, but now I really like peanut butter and marmalade, like orange marmalade.
Really?
Yeah, it's so odd.
Huh.
So odd.
No, I can see that little, combination.
Yeah.
I can see that.
Huh.
I'm going to eat Five Guys now.
What you rocking back there?
These guys got their Chipotle.
I'm going to eat my Five Guys now if you stop recording.
Just down it.
'Cause I don't like eating in front of people.
Nobody ever watches my channel.
I just chowed my sushi in front of you guys.
Nobody ever watches my channel.
No.
I have like 3 subscribers.
No, you have like 3,450.
That's a lot. Okay, with that, anyways, guys, thank you very much for watching.
Thank you very much for watching.
Thank you very much for watching.
It was nice to meet you all.
Follow me on my TikTok.
Don't
Follow
follow
us-
me. I don't have any videos. Follow my
Sa-
Instagram.
Follow my Instagram too.
Follow Savannah on her TikTok. It is Savannaho'brien, or is it just Savannah O'Brien?
I think it's
On.
I don't know. Her goal was 100 people, 100 fans, and she's up to like 67, so that's pretty cool. 67 or 68? It is.
And then my Instagram is sav.o'brien.
Let's go over this, guys. It is Savannah, SAVANNAHO'Brien. Savannah
no
O'Brien.
period.
No period.
No.
She's got 49 videos. What does my daughter
Savannah
have on here for
O'Brien.
videos? Oh, she got a good video for today. Watch this. Hang on here. What's this? Racing. That's what you guys are missing. I like the fact that she gave herself a heart.
I did. That's what I do. That's what I do. That's what I do with all my videos.
Alright guys, if you like this video, by all means, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Find me on all aspects of social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikToks.
Find me on Instagram.
All that jazz.
Sav.o'brien.
What's your IG?
Alexa Bap _ I think. I'm not positive.
Or just
Where's my phone?
Alexa Bap, Bap, Bap.
Hang on, let me look at what it
Do you
is.
realize like all 2,700 of my
It
subscribers are
is-
probably just laughing their assholes off at that because they know what that is.
Alexa Bap _
Alexa Bap _ You know what? I'll just put the links at the bottom of this video over here. So, thumbs
Oh,
up,
yeah.
guys. Peace. I love you. Thank you for watching. Bye. Go.